Hello traders, it's Sunday, February 19th, 2023. I'm going to go after the Astro Excel for the week. We had an inversion the middle of the week, and then we got back intact for Friday where it was mostly down, and then we got the late little rally back as the both lines were turning up at that point. Right here is in my crosshairs, the weekend break from the Friday close to the Sunday night open. We've got, after this little rally here, we're going to just getting again into positive territory above the zero line, but we're going to hit downward pressure all the way into Tuesday, late in the afternoon, where we bottom at 1400, and then we bottom again early on the 22nd here on the green line, and then we have a rally the 22nd that kind of peaks here around 1313, then flattens out to down, and then it picks up again late on the 22nd and pushes up on the 23rd, and then flattens out through the rest of that day, Thursday and then Friday. But we're flattening out near the plus 10 line, and we've been mostly in the negative territory. On the bigger picture, I had revised the day of the top to the 14th or 15th. It came on the 14th, it was retested on the 15th, didn't take out the high of the 14th, and then we broke down. And then I had a date of the 20th, which is tomorrow, and then I had a low forecast for the 22nd. Looking at the pattern, I'm looking for this to go down into the 22nd and then bounce up to the 26th is the way it looks right now. So after checking a few other cycles and look back periods, that looks like the most likely scenario. Now it's possible we could get a little bump up here before we push down to make this low on the 22nd. So that's not out of the question. We could get a move up for a day and then flip back down, but I expect we'll make this low at some point on the 22nd, and then we should push up to the 26th.